One thing about me, I'm going to try new stuff and I'm going to experiment. So I put this nice little ensemble together, and it is bombdiggity.com, baby. It's 2 points, high protein, and it's delicious. So I'm going to tell you exactly how I made it. I got 2 small bananas in there. That's 0 points. I got 4 ounces of Premier Protein flavored chocolate in there. And then I have 2 tablespoons of the PD2 powdered peanut butter in there. And that's 1 point. And I got some ice in there. And then I just popped this bad boy on top of my Ninja blender. And it got active, okay? It turned out absolutely amazing. One thing about it is the peanut butter powder did get stuck on the side of the cup. So I take it off, do some hard shaking and reblending. Next time what I'm going to do is make sure I have the powder stirred up inside of the protein shake really good before I blend it. But it was so good.